Tax topic 152, 151, reference code 1242, and all of the different notices that comes along with these specific topics. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another update. In today's video, we are going to go over the most common tax topics as well as the most common notices that comes along with these specific topics. And this information is being shared from irs.gov. Make sure you're watching till the very end. We are starting with topic 152, which is refund information. Simply that, the IRS explaining the refund time process. The IRS issues more than 9 out of 10 refunds in the normal time frame, which is normally less than 21 days. Some tax returns may require further review and may take longer. So 152 is basically the refund time process. The IRS has received your tax return, and this is the time frame. If you do not receive your refund within the normal 21 days, you can contact them after 21 days, and that is if you e-file, and if you mail your return 6 months. If it's been more than 6 months and you have not received an update on the WMR, the Where Is My Refund tool, then you can start to contact the IRS by phone. If you file on paper, if you complete an amended return, which can take 16 to 20 weeks to complete. So 152 is simply that the IRS has your tax return. 151 means your return is under review. Now, once the IRS has complete your review or during the review process, the IRS will send you out a letter explaining exactly what action or adjustment they made to your refund. They will also notify you in that letter that you have the right to appeal their decision and what are the steps if you choose to appeal. Now, topic 203 is reduce refund. The IRS finished completing your review and they reduce your refund. This could be past due child support, federal agency non-tax debt, state income tax obligation, certain unemployment compensation debt, and much more. The IRS will notify you with a topic 203 reduce refund. Reference code 1242. That means the IRS has received your return and it is being reviewed. That is why you usually see 151 and reference code 1242 together, because the IRS is reviewing your tax return and your refund is essentially frozen until the review process has been completed. Notices that comes along with your tax return being reviewed. One of those notices is CPO 5A notice. This notice means that the IRS may need additional information before they can issue you a refund. So what you need to do is send copies of the items listed in that notice so the IRS can verify your income and tax withholdings. Attach your documents, send your responses within 30 days. You can choose to fax your documentation, or you can mail your documentation, and it will have all of the information on where to send the documents in your notice. CPO 5B notice. This is what you're reporting, what the IRS has is not matching up, and they may need additional information to determine which income is correct. You need to read the notice carefully. It will explain the process of what you need to do, what documents you need to provide to the IRS, and you need to do so within the normal time frame. Now, CPO 5 notice. This notice is that the IRS is verifying your income, your tax withholding, and some of the tax credits or business income. If you receive the CPO5 notice and you file a return, you don't need to do anything. You don't need to take any action. The IRS is reviewing your return. You do not need to take any action until 60 days. After 60 days, if you don't hear anything from the IRS, then you can start to contact them. And remember, you can always contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service as well at 1-877-777-4778, as well as for financial hardship. Now, if you didn't file a return and you received that CPO5 notice, it says someone may have filed a return using your personal information. And in that case, then you need to complete and sign Form 14039 Identity Theft Affidavit and mail that to the IRS. On the irs.gov website, simply type in the search. For example, for this particular form, you would type in the search form 14039 and you will be able to print that form up. All right. So these are the most important topics. Topic 152. 151, reference code 1242, and make sure to ask any questions or share information with others in the comments. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for all of the information that matters to you most, because I am doing the research so you do not have to. And I will see every one of you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.